How you feel working with me?
Work? Which kind of work, Ivor? It's not work. It's just
that is true.
With you, it's just fun. It's just vibe. It's just music. We're just chit chatting. We're just sharing moments together. So it's not work. So Ivor, we've been hearing the name Ivor, the Dapper Snapper, forever. Tell us, how did you come about that name? Is it because you're a foodie too?
Something like that. You know more than me about food. Remember Veronica?
Veronica Smith or
yeah, Veronica Smith.
Yes.
Yeah, she was the one who named me the first week I came here. She gave me the name, and from that it stick.
Tell us about your involvement in music before KOOL.
From I was about 6 years of age. When my mother gone to the market, they have a whole Grundig, you know, them Grundig Telefunk in stereo something, and they have some records at the house. So one day she leave me for clean the house, and we must clean it before she comes back from market. So I idle my time on and play this music and find out I love it. And then my aunt was also an influence, because Aunt Haya, that was her name, God rest her soul. She usually play music on Sunday, so I hear some Jim Reeves and them things there. So that's where coming from. Then I evolved to playing discos. I play Plus Sex Infatuation, Plus Sex Aggregation. Francis Brown was influenced where that is concerned. I went to JBCFM for a while, and then I came to KOOL after. But I had played at parties in between most of those things. So that is where my music evolved from. And the love of music is family oriented. I usually sing on school choirs, primary school. I went to festival. As you know, you grow with your granny as well. So what some of the things that your granny teach?
Ever. I grew up with my parents, my mother and my father, and also my 3 siblings.
And?
So why I know so much? Why I know so much about old-time stuff according to you? I visited a lot of elders in my community, the community that I grew up in. And I also spent time with my grandmother and my godmother. So, you're a foundation member of KOOL. How has KOOL evolved over the years?
I think we have achieved a whole lot. Trust me, in terms of presentation, musical presentations, the personnel, I think we have a good camaraderie. You tell me, how did you get into radio, and do you like being on the radio?
I don't think that I got into radio.
Radio got into you.
Me. It wasn't something that I had in mind. I had no inclination that I was ever going to go in radio.
Then me first you work with?
No.
Who first you work?
Mikey B.
Mikey
B.
Okay. So what I work with the lady?
It's close to 15 years in the airline industry.
So you're just guesstimating, really?
Yes, yeah. I spent a very long time there.
Where?
In the airline industry.
Wow.
What do you do, though, when you're not at KOOL?
Well, previously, I was an audit manager, so you know I have to travel a lot and deal with figures and books. Now that I'm on the line now, I'm out of the system per se.
Retired?
Yeah, I had to take that retirement. I do mostly research now on music.
So if you were to choose between being an audit manager and playing music, would you choose?
Yes, I would choose music. However, it doesn't pay. I still love music. I love music.
For the
seriously.
love of the music.
Yeah, I just love music. Yeah, not for any fame or anything like that. I don't believe in that. Success must come with humility. So, and I love music. I do it for the love of it. I know you're a lover of plants, but especially orchids. Where did that come from? Because I give you one bush, then every day you tell me about the Queen of Thorns? Or
the crown of thorns.
Right.
I still have it, and it is blooming, and it blooms every single day.
That's me.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
So with everything that is happening and with COVID-19 and this whole pandemic thing, how did you spend your turn of the yard time?
Music. I'll get up in the morning, go underneath the mango tree, have a meditation where I have my laptop with me, and I'm planning Saturday's program from 3 days out or 4 days out. So I don't mind. And I do research. I go on and research, find music. I hear music somewhere, get the name, and just search for it, listen to it, Well, yeah, some pretty sister. How much are they there?
3.
Because I know you guys are so close. It's
yes, we're very close. I'm the eldest, and I take care of my sisters.
Yeah.
We do everything together. What are some of your morals?
Respect is the first thing I always respect the other person, no matter who they are. The other thing is that you know my mantra already. The only thing permanent in life is change. So I accept whatever changes come to me. I want to know why you love soca music so much. Why you love carnival stuff?
I don't know. I don't know.
Where it's coming from?
It's just the love of the music. Love of music. Just that beat.
Okay.
I just love soca music. I love calypso. I love the rhythm. I love the beat. And more so, I love the vibes of the people.
And the pretty costume them.
That too, the feathers too.
That's kind of revealing sometimes.
I love it. After we never born in a clothes on the continent of Africa. Oh dear. Look at the time. It's time for us to skedaddle.
Alright, you go down before me and check out everything. I soon come out
Where you go? Where you going? Where you going?
You know where you are.
Where you going?
I'm going around the back.